What's good, YouTube, man? It's J3 back with another video today, man. We out here with the truck. Out here with Zeus. For the people who don't know, yes, my truck is named Zeus. Yes, I know it sounds like a dog name. No, I don't care. Yeah, man, but I ain't started my truck in about 4 days. I hope it crank up. It's dirty, so we really finna see if it start up. So we got some stuff to do today. Let's see if it start up. This car parked close to my truck, man. Ooh, don't want to hit that. Lights on. Alright, we got it started, man. Let that warm up for a minute. But yeah, bed on my truck pretty dirty right now. We probably run by a little car wash or a gas station or something. Throw all this trash away in the back of here. But yeah, man, I bought me an antenna. I bought me an antenna that I'm gonna be putting on today. The bracket right here. But I gotta go get me some self-tapping bolts to install this right here. I really want mine super low. I don't want mine sitting up here. I really need to replace, well, try to respray over this or something, I don't know. But I want mine to be down here. I don't want mine that high. I mean, it's still gonna be high. It's pretty tall. I got the 122 inch. But yeah, man, we finna run by the gas station right now. I'm gonna clean this bed out a little bit, get some of this stuff out of here, unnecessary stuff. And then after that, we're gonna run by Lowe's, go pick up the self-tappers for this what is this called? Yeah, for this right here. We're gonna go pick up the self-tappers for this, and we're gonna install that this antenna right here with a little twist. I'm gonna put something on it. It's Christmas time, so I'm gonna try to give Zeus a little decoration or whatever, get in the Christmas spirit. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up at Lowe's. About to go in here and get some self-tapping screws to put this antenna on. The truck is super dirty right now. Like, I ain't washed my truck in weeks, so it's super dirty. I know I have not done a full overview of everything I've done to the truck yet, but I will be doing that soon, including everything that I will be getting fixed on it, because it's a lot to be fixed. But yeah, it's still a work in progress. So yeah, we about to head in here. Alright, so I end up having to buy 25 of them when I really only need 4. So I guess that's cool. They weren't expensive, they was real cheap. But yeah, I'm about to get out here and put this bracket on, mount it up so I can get this antenna put on here, and then I can get my little guy put on there. Y'all, let's see what I'm talking about in a minute. I usually do my mods to my truck at home, but I'm not at home. I'm not even close to home, so I got my tools with me. I always keep my toolbox going. Gonna sit that right here. Yeah, that thing kind of heavy. I know y'all heard it in my voice. And then I got my my drill right here. Then I got some these self-tappers right here. Yeah, I think that's all we're gonna need right now. I'm finna just put the bracket on right now. And I still ain't went to the gas station to clean out my truck. That was supposed to be the first thing I did. But yeah, I'm finna put on this bracket right there in the middle. I'm gonna do it at the bottom because I don't want it. I want to make it as low as possible. So yeah, I got these self-tappers. I'm gonna take these out. We're gonna take these out. Alright, y'all, so
taking this out. Like I said, I usually do my mods in my house in Monroe, but I ain't even in Monroe. I'm not close to Monroe right now. So I'm finna just go and throw it on real quick. This ain't even nothing major. It's just something real quick, so I'm finna go and throw this on here. I'm sitting in the parking lot of a store that I'm about to go in anyway. So I took out this piece right here. I took out this piece. This piece came with the bracket. This bracket was expensive. I ain't gonna talk about it. Cause really, I wasn't even gonna buy these. I wasn't gonna buy none of this. I wasn't even gonna buy the antenna. But I got pressured into buying it. Well, really I ain't get pressured. It was really just an impulse buy. I had wanted it, but I ain't really want it. And so the day that I bought it, I was on I-20 going back toward Monroe, in the shop. It was about was in the direction that I was going, the path that I was taking. And so I was like, man, let me stop out here. I'm gonna just give me an antenna. I don't even know why. I don't even know why I was gonna get it. Well, I do know why. I really did like it. I liked it, but I ain't think I liked it that much, because really, I used to always say, man, I don't know why people getting antennas on their trucks. It don't even serve no purpose. It's just there. It's just there for decoration. But I low-key liked it, so yeah, I end up going to get my own. So yeah, then my tools done rusted. It was sitting on the back of my truck and it rained. But yeah, I had just went and got it. Not even, I couldn't even pull out the parking lot. And I already take it back in, looked on the receipt, no returns. I tried to sell it, but oh well. I do like it though, so I'm finna put it on here and then see how it look. And then I'm gonna put something else on there. So yeah, I don't even know. I was gonna say, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just sitting up here talking. I be losing focus when I be talking and doing something at the same time. Alright y'all, so I only put 2 in there. Sitting how I want it. So yeah. Now I'm finna go get this extra piece that I'm finna put on it. Hopefully y'all like it. But we finna go in here and go get. I'ma just go and say it. So really, I don't know if I'm finna do a Santa Claus. I don't know if I'm finna do an elf, but I'm finna do one on. I don't know which one I'm finna go get. I'm finna go see which one I like the best, which one I think would be best on there. And that's what I'm finna go in here and TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby and go get. So yeah. Alright, so I'm in the store and I don't know which one I wanna get. The elf or the Santa or a hat. I don't know. I don't know which one I want. Alright y'all, I ended up going with the Santa Claus. I don't know why. I just like it better. Now I gotta figure out a way to put this on the antenna and make it look good. And if I could guess, I would say it's gonna have something to do with a zip tie. So I'm finna see how I'm finna put this on the. Hopefully it won't be hard. I'm sure it won't be hard, but I still want it to look like ain't no antenna in it or under it. So yeah, we finna see how I'm finna do that real quick. So we got the Santa Claus. I got 1 zip tie. I had 2, but I lost the other one. So we finna see if we can make this thing work with 1 zip tie, which I'm sure we can, but we should finna see right now if we can make this thing work with 1 zip tie. He up there hanging on. But I really need to see if I can put the zip tie on there to keep it straight. Keep it straight backwards. I want it to be facing like this. Yeah, so I'm finna see if I can get a zip tie on here to make it straight, keep facing backwards. Alright y'all, so I finally got it to stay up there. I had to use 2 zip ties.
I thought I only had one, but I ended up having 2 zip ties, so I had to use 2 zip ties. Got one on the head, one on the bottom of it. So yeah, it's finally up there. My boy hanging up there. So yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment what y'all think y'all want to see next. Any suggestions that y'all may have. And thank you for watching.